Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, just getting back from Lake Sam Rayburn, and I thought I'd shoot a real quick video on how I actually manage all my data from lake to lake. So it's real important for me to be able to come back, or if I ever come back to a lake, to keep a file of certain times a year, um, certain lakes, because as we know, all Sam Rayburn was down like 3.5 to 4 feet. So what I did was I idled a lot for a couple days. So I marked a ton of brush, road beds, rock piles. But one thing I did do is I marked a lot of key features that were on the bank that will, when the lake is up, if we ever come back, I marked like rocky banks, stuff that you would really never even know that was there, but good areas of certain types of trees or bushes. And I made notes on my graph to manage all that stuff if we ever come back in the future. So just wanted to shoot a real quick video on how I store my data. So the first thing you got to do is take a micro SD card. And what you'll do is you'll just stick a micro SD card in here. I've already done that. And this is just your home screen on your Garmin. This is a 12-inch Ultra Garmin unit. So first thing you're going to go do is go to Nav Info. Okay. And then you're going to go to Manage Data. And next step is to hit Data Transfer. Now there's two different files. Garmin has a file that's called ADM, and that's their file. But I use, most of these SD cards will use like a GPX file, and some of the data that I had previously on one of the cards that I had was a GPX file. So I'm just going to use the GPX file, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save to card. So this is labeled Rayburn GPX, and actually I'm going to go in and name this Rayburn 2022, and then I'll come down here and just hit done. So it's uploaded that file. Now I can just take that chip out, and what I'll do is I'll go home, or I'll go and erase all my my waypoints now to just keep my graph nice and clean. And then whenever if I ever go back to Rayburn, I'll just stick that card in there, and then what you would do is go back to the home screen, all that stuff, and then you would hit transfer data back onto your unit. So super easy, guys, but this is how I kind of manage my system. And I've got a whole bunch of files on all the lakes that I've gone, but man, it's something that I really utilize and that will help you in the future. It may not help you this time around, but it's something that you'll definitely use in the future.